A lot of people are making money on Pinterest, just like these accounts who created this information once, but they will continue to earn money over and over again. And in today's video, I'm going to show you how they make money reusing content. And I'm also going to show you a website where you can make money. And all of this, guys, is free. Hello, welcome to my channel. My name is LindyShirries. And in today's video, I am going to show you how to make money online. Guys, let's get the admin out of the way. Please do subscribe to my channel. Please. I'm going to show you how to create a landing page, where to get your affiliate link, getting the video from TikTok, and also Pinterest. The first thing that you need to do is to create an account on Pinterest. You can just enter your email address, password, and date of birth. And then once you have a page like this, you go to Canva and create your cover page. So you just type Pinterest cover page, cover templates, and then you select any of these ones that you want, or you can just select a blank one. So I selected this template. All I need to do is just to replace the things that I do not want. So I'll just type health or fitness, and then I'll get pictures under elements, and then you just drag and drop and replace the existing pictures. And you can do any template you want, guys. You don't need to necessarily use this one. You can just do any template that you want, and then you change the name. When you're done, you just click share and download, and then select one page, because these are 2 pages, and then you click upload on Pinterest, and then you select the photo that you've just created, and then you upload your cover page, and now you have a Pinterest account that is looking okay. And then if you want the logo as well, you can go to Canva. Canva, it is a free app. You can just see the link on the video description and just download it. You can go to templates and also type logo, and then it'll give you different logos. You can create a blank one and just add the elements. So let's just say maybe I put this picture, and then I can just work on it until I am happy, but I'm not going to bore you with that. And then you go to this site called Digistore24, and then you create an account. You say you are an affiliate, and then you wait for their approval. For me, it was quick. And then you go to marketplace, and this is where you see products that you can refer, and then if you refer, you make money. So you go around under fitness and health, because our Pinterest page is fitness and health. If you selected software, you will go to software. So I'll just go and look around and see which one I want. And then normally I'll go to their sales page to see how it looks, or what a person will see. So this one looks like this, and then which is good. So I just took a screenshot of this page, and then now I'm cropping to create a picture that I will use in my landing page. And then I go to promote and copy the link, and then you go to your notepad, or you can go to your sticker note, and then you just paste that link. So that's the link that you're going to promote and make $3.5, and that's how much you're going to make, $3.62 every time a person clicks and buy this book. So that's how we are making money. So the next thing, you go to TikTok and look for videos that has something to do with fitness and health, and then you just continue, guys, and look for the perfect one. And then let's say we take this one. The first thing that you need to do is to go to that account, copy the name, guys, and put it on your sticky note or your notepad. Why are we doing this? Because we are going to give this person credit. We're not going to use their videos, and then the next thing, we do not credit them. You go to Vidio to download the video. You paste the link from the TikTok, and then you will select download. And then after clicking download, see now Vidio doesn't only download for you, it also removed the watermark, which is good again, guys. So now that we have the video, we can continue, guys. And then let's just go to our Pinterest account. We are going to create an idea pin. Not a pin, guys. Create an idea pin, and then you upload that video that you've just downloaded from TikTok, and then after uploading, you just give it a title. So you can go to the video itself and see if they've added something, but then if you do not know, ignore. So you create a board, because each and every pin goes and sits in a board. So this board, I'll call it fitness and health. And then under description, guys, normally we do not know what to do, so you just go to ChatGPT. These days, we don't need to type anything that you do not know. We just go to ChatGPT and ask, and then we'll ask ChatGPT to give us a paragraph of information to do with fitness and health. So it gave us a lot. So I just said, give me only one paragraph, and then it gives me this. And then now I'm going to put that. Guys, do check this content, because it might not be related to you. And then we go back to where we posted our link, and then we put it under here so that when a person click this link, it will go to your affiliate. And then you add text so that your picture and your video will be foundable, so will be found on this platform. So you just keep adding tags, and then you click publish. So when you click publish, it will upload, and then now you have a video uploaded on Pinterest. Each and every time people watch this, they would click your one. So we forgot to add credits, which is very important. We go to our sticky note again, we go under description and say we got this video from this TikToker, we have to give credit, otherwise then we will be in trouble with Pinterest and also with the user. So but if you give them credit, and then they know that you are promoting them. So when you click this is what a person will see, and then they will click this and buy this book. So can you see already how we are going to make money on this? And then you will make 3.6 to each and every person who click and download and buy this book. So now guys, here's a problem with social media. They do not like links. So you go to system.io, you create an account. I'm now going to show you how to create a landing page. So you go to create funnels, under funnels, and then you give it a name, you give it custom, and then you just say your currency. So after creating that, you click it, and then you have to go and say create a step, give the step your name, a name, and then after just say it's a squeeze page. A squeeze page is a page that we are going to invite people so that it doesn't go straight to Digistore. So I selected this website, but then I am going to delete everything because all I want is just a squeeze page. And then I've added header text, I've added a picture, and I've added a button at the bottom so that the person will see. You see where I'm going with this. And then the next thing that I'm going to do, I am going to go to my landing page for this product, and then copy content there, make it bigger. You can change the color, you can change the size, and then just make sure that it is Google Fonts, and then also popping, and then you can change the color if you want. So now let's get the picture. You just click the picture, and then you upload the picture that we have copied and cropped from the website, the sales page website. And then now there's a picture, and then you can just make it smaller there, and then you go to your button. That's where you're going to put your referral link. It's not a referral link, your affiliate link, and then you just check where you click open URL, and then you come here, and then you click where it says click here, you just type show me more, and then under it where it says subtitle, then you can just say yes, I want this money, and then you can just type it like that. Now we are done with our page, but we do need to add our link, guys. So we just go at the top and then change everything that we want to change, and then we are ready. So what we want is that every time a person click this link, this page, so we will be able to, should link to our website. So now I've added this, and then the next thing, this is what the person is going to see, and then this is the link that I'm going to copy and take it to Pinterest, especially if those links are getting blocked. So we're going back now because we forgot to add the link. So we go to the button at the bottom, and then we click open URL, and then we go and copy our referral link, our affiliate link, and then we paste it here so that when a person click show me more, it will go to your product. And then now you can view. So when you click here show me more, now it should direct you to this site. So this is the link, the whole link. This is what you are going to give to your people, to Pinterest, and then whenever people post, you are going to make money. So yeah, guys, that's how you make money on Pinterest. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you do know how to do this, and you are going to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.